Beneficial Juggling presents Under the Arm Catches.
Consecutive under the arm catches look so cool, but how do you get there? Let's start with 1. Instead of throwing a ball across as a 3, throw it as a 4, meaning straight up and out. Then reach across underneath your other arm to catch it. If you have any questions, leave them in the comments and come and juggle with me live on Instagram. Just look for @BeneficialJuggling. What is Beneficial Juggling? We're a non-profit organization founded by jugglers who feed, house, and educate youth in developing countries. We believe humans are one team on one planet, and we're working together to create a brighter future for humanity and planet Earth.